Hey friends. Hey, it's time for another blog post from me, Angie. And today I'm giving you another section from my upcoming book called DIY Calm. This is the number 2 technique of tossing a bottle. Yeah, it's pretty exciting to see this new book coming together, technique by technique. This is one that works with the bilateral stimulation of the brain. By stimulating both hemispheres of the brain, you can get unstuck from your emotions. You know, that stuck on a loop feeling you can get sometimes? Yeah. Hey, I'm Angie J. Hernandez, certified hypnotherapist from the Indiana Hypnosis Center, where bad habits don't have to last forever. Get rid of those bad habits with hypnosis. Now, therapies like EMDR, eye movement, desensitization, and reprocessing use the same bilateral stimulation, but this works just as well. Plus, you can use this as a ninja tip because tossing a bottle in public will not look weird. In this video, I'll show you how to use tossing a bottle to lock in your body's reflexes and melt anxiety. Let's get started. This one I learned from Melissa Tears. It's bilateral stimulation of your brain. When the brain is stimulated through rhythmic back and forth eye movement, this kicks in a relaxation reflex to the body and mind. Here's how you do it. First step, hold a water bottle in one hand and toss the bottle to your other hand. Continue to toss back and forth until you feel calm, which is usually 1 to 3 minutes, but you can go as long as you need. So it's like this. If you want, you can follow along with your eyes. That helps. I'll stand and show you how it looks a little more natural when doing this. Imagine that you're a teenager in school talking to your friends or talking to a girl or talking to someone new, and you just have this bottle with you and you're tossing it back and forth. Nobody would think twice about that, but your anxiety goes down to calm and you can make smart decisions, talk to her in an easy way, and you feel good. You can do this if you're an adult, you're in a work situation. It's not this big a deal to toss this bottle from side to side. No one would think anything of it. And in a moment or two, you're calm and you can be yourself and get the attention you deserve for good things and not for anxiety, right? Okay. Hey, thanks for watching today, and look for my book, DIY Calm, to be out in 2019. And remember, this is technique number 2, but in the book, there's 101 of them. You're going to find something in there, maybe more than something that you can use. And be sure to follow me on YouTube and Facebook for more videos like these. Bye, friends.